श्रीगुरो श्रीयुत पदकमल श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथमीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादं सहगण ललिता विशाखान्वितांश्च भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदो श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Harinam Chintavan. All glories, all glories, all glories. So anyway, let me check today question. Message was deleted. There is one person. I have a human need to speak directly to Krishna in my heart. I don't want material gain. I only want to serve him, but I do ask for guidance and protection, particularly for my children. Can I speak with the Lord Krishna freely this way? I seek to know him. Good question. First of all, think about it. Directly speak with Lord. In this regard, we need qualification. That qualification is to become completely free from unwanted mundane desire. Completely free from unwanted mundane desire. One is anartha. You have to be completely free from anartha. then you can do. Actually, Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting, first they are curing or anartha, unwanted mundane desire. Like, if you want to meet with president of country directly, it's not possible. You have to go through his dearest person. If you are able to establish connection with his dearest person, then not only you, your dog also can reach the president of the country with you. Similarly, the dearest person of Krishna is his pure devotee, like Guru and Vaishnava. First of all, you have to establish your service attitude through them. Then eventually you will get the qualification to speak with Krishna. This is my answer. And there is no other question. I forget who. Someone asking me a question today morning. I say send me a message. Let me check. No, he's not sending any. Anyway, these are the. I don't think so. That is no important question. So today we are going to speak. Okay. So, yesterday we explained, Tumi Vibhu, Tomaro Boibhava Jiva Hoy, Dasero Mongolo Chinta, Tomaro Nishchaya. That we explained, right? Das Jaha Sukho Mani, Kore Anneshon, Tumi taha kripa kori koro vidaran. That also I explained yesterday. The meaning of this, you are the Supreme Lord and the Jiva belongs to you. You always think of the welfare of your servant. You mercifully furnish your servant with whatever he thinks to be a true source of happiness. Then Krishna is the eternal friend of the Jiva and thus remain with him in whatever condition he find himself. Not only that, but the Lord fulfills the Jiva's desire while he is in that conditioned state. The relation between the Supreme Lord and the individual soul is eternal and unbreakable. This is true. Because we are cheating Lord, therefore we feel cheated. The Lord is the controller and the Jiva is the controlled. Krishna is independent while the Jiva is independent. Krishna is independent and while Jiva is independent. Krishna makes the laws, the Jiva must follow them. Krishna is the master, the Jiva is his servant. Krishna rewards and punishes While punishes in a good word, punishes. While the jiva experience the good and bad consequence of his action. Mundane good deeds and religious ritual. That is the heading. মায়ার বৈভবে যে অনিত্য সুখ চায় তোমারও কৃপায় সে অনাশে পায় মায়ার বৈভব Maya, opulence of Maya. Anitya Sukh means mortal happiness, temporary happiness. Just what? Temporary happiness. If you want, chai means want. Tomorrow kripa, by your grace, say ona se pai. That person can get easily that temporary happiness. This is true. You know, Chaitanya Charitamrita, I explained yesterday, I think, that Krishna jodi chute bhukti mukti diya, kabhu bhakti nadana rakhan lukaya. If we beg, that I want enjoyment, I want liberation, Krishna is giving. But devotion, forget about it. Forget about it. Devotion, he wants to give, first he wants to make sure. Like, you have degree, academic degree you have, like master degree, but like PhD degree. But still you need to get some interview, you know. People will interview you, then he look, you are really qualified or not. You know, education is there, but education and reality, they should match. So person, we are coming to temple, the Krishna wants to test us. Really you want his services, or in the name of service, you want something else. Like me. I want in the name of sannyasi. Sannyasi means properly renounce and properly establish Mukunda Seva. 24 hours. 365. That is the goal or rule of sannyas. But you can see I am sitting in the good chair, comfortable chair, prestigious chair, prestigious position. This is not enjoyment? Huh? It's also one type of enjoyment. Yeah. So anyway, you know what I want to say, I think you understand. Like David, the person asking, he wants to speak, what asking that he wants to do something for his children, right? The children, yeah, good. The children also attachment. Children, they are also have, if you have, do everything for children, not for others, this is also attachment for children. What you want to do? If we engage them to Lord's services, that's okay. Anyway, so like sannyasis, position. We want. If you are not giving me respect, I feel offended. Why? Because I want it. You have to respect me. Respectable word. Respectable in every aspect. Respect. But Bhagavan Krishna, what he said, that person is dear to him who completely free from man apamana, honor and dishonor, free from criticism and praising. Means no effect. If someone honor, also no effect, no smiling. Someone dishonor, also no effect, no angry, no depression. Criticism, praising. Criticism means, naturally, if someone criticizes us, usually we are our face in depression mode, right? But someone praising us, smiling face, thinking, that he's in my favor, right? Thinking good about it. But no effect. Equal feeling. Even someone criticizing, we should feel happy, satisfied. Do you have that? I don't have. Therefore I am telling. I am sannyasi. But I need. So Lord is testing us. Really, we are in this stage or not. Person is free from unwanted mundane desire or not. We can test them very easily. How? Just use them some word, unusual word, disrespectful word for them in their name. Then you can just see their reaction. If the reaction is heavy, then you have to know that person still not in the state of realization, spiritual realization, that identity, not able to realize its identity. If you know you are Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and if someone say, he is not Chief Minister, do you mind for that? As soon as you know you are appointed Chief Minister from the most of the population, they appoint you by vote, casting vote. But most of the people, when I also see several group of people, they say, he is not Chief Minister. Any kind of, he know I am Chief Minister. Let them speak, let them bark, right? Similarly, as soon as we have realization about our identity, we are eternal servant of Lord. People may say so many things like you are rascal, you are idiot. I know I am not idiot. I know I am not rascal. I am eternal servant of Lord. Let them say. In that way, mood will change. Then if we reacting, you are criticizing me, I will also. If someone say you are rascal, I say you are idiot. This there is no solution. Dogs bite you, or bite us. We should not bite back. We should not bite back to the dog. Our intellectually, if you think, we have to go to hospital for get some injection. I think nowadays 5 days we have to get an injection. Then before it was 40 injection surrounding nipples. Now India 5, I don't know, Western world I don't know that. So this Maya Devi is playing with us. Yesterday I explained, Maya Devi giving us false prestige, follower, opulence, and we are thinking, oh, look, how much opulence I have. I have everything. I have everything. Materially everything, because Maya Devi, I want from Lord, please give me this, give me that. Lord give us, send Maya Devi, give problem. So Maya वही भावे जे अनित्य सुख चाहे. अनित्य सुख means temporary सुख. If you want anything material benefit, it is like temporary benefit. Body finish, your material benefit also finish. You may construct big house, palace, castle. But when your body expired, when your soul expired from the body, you are thinking you have to enjoy with your body to that house, a different place, amusement park you have to make also. You make also in the home. You cannot enjoy it anymore. According to karma, we'll go to that direction. Anitya, body finish. Maybe body is there, body is here still, but period of enjoyment finish, you'll be poor again. Kabhu Raja, Prabhu Puja, means sometime is king, sometime Proja means just normal people. Kabhu Sarge, sometime heaven, heavenly place, Kabhu Marte, in this material art, means Mrityulok, material world, Bhulok. Sometime hell, Narok, Anitya. Therefore, Anitya means not permanent, temporary. Tomorrow kripa aise, anase paye. So, if you pray to Lord, Supreme Lord, your temporary happiness, just, oh Lord, give me a nice house. Oh Lord, give me a car. Oh Lord, give me a big amount of money. Lord can give you. Like you can see that so many people, like his, Ambani is one brother is poor now. Anil Ambani became poor. Before he was extremely rich. Right? So today is king, tomorrow is beggar. This is the nature. Even my great-grandfather, he was extremely rich. But my grandfather became poor. But my uncles, they are making a little bit not like my great grandfather. This is the waves. In this life you can see it all changes. So therefore, anitya sukha. Therefore, intellectually, if you want to pray Lord, better to pray Lord, engage me in your services. Engage me in your services. Then Lord will engage you accordingly. What service you feel we are qualified, He will engage you accordingly. Instead of that, if you just pray, give me this, give me that, Lord will send. It is Maya's requirement, you are asking for material enjoyment. This is Maya's part. Like if I ask some money from Yogi Aditya, Chief Minister of UP, so definitely he will send me to this Finance Minister of this UP. Similarly, if you ask something from material benefit, from material world, some material benefit, so Bhagavan will send, Lord will send us to Maya Devi. Maya Devi will fulfill all our requirement. Am I clear? So therefore, better for us to just beg from the bottom of our heart, oh Lord, please engage me in your services. Please engage me in your services. So Lord in His abode, eternally there. So eternally engage me to your services. That means He will take us to His abode. We cannot go with this body in the abode. We have to get spiritual perfection. Body is called Siddha Deho. Then He will keep us near to Him. Samippo, Mukti is there. Same abode means Salokko, same abode. So Salokko Mukti is there. Sasti, same opulence when we are with Lord. Then same opulence we are enjoying, Lord. Sasti is there. Sajujjo you don't want. It's not possible. Sajujjo is useless idea. Then Saruppa Mukti, Saruppa, same form, but we don't want same form of Lord, but we want service from Siddha Deho. Different form. Like our Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, he has form. Nayanamani Manjari form. His eternal age, 12 years. His eternal service, Gano Seva, singing self-service. Yeah, Prabhupada's meditation like this. Tapta kanchana shuddhabhyang taravali parihitam nayanamani manjaring vande gano seva parayanam. Gano seva, gana means singing service. Tapta kanchana, like Radharani's kala. So that body will not sarupa, same form of Lord, but such a body which is eternal, which is helpful for Lord's services. This body, material body, sweating, bad smell, everything happening. So this body is not actually the right body to serve Lord. Therefore we need to get that body. Which body? Eternal body. That body, how to get? Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. As soon as we become free from all anartha, all unwanted mundane desire, then immediately we will get the body. Ishavad Pikoshi Puno দেখায় নিজ রূপ গুণ চিত্ত হরিলয় কৃষ্ণ পাশ পূর্ণ বিকশিত হইয়া ব্রজে মরে যায় লইয়া দেখায় নিজ স্বরূপ বিলাস ওটা বাক সেই যায় দেখায় নিজ স্বরূপ বিলাস ঈশ্বর বিকশিত means slightest if we have realization slightest manner then we can see these holy names appear his own form own quality Radha Govinda form quality we can see পূর্ণ বিকশিত হয়ে যায় absolute realization will take place ব্রজে মরে যায় লইয়া then we can go to Vrindavan wherever we are that's the matter but in spirit we will be in Vrindavan দেখার নিজ স্বরূপ বিলাস then he will say আজ কি হয়েছে গো পুরী আজকে তো খাজা দিয়ে গেছে তো সকালে so this is those who seek the transitory pleasure of the illusionary manifestation can easily fulfill their desire through your grace. What is it? Translation. সেই সুখ প্রাপ্তির উপায় শুভ কর্ম যত নিরমিল ধর্ম যজ্ঞ যোগ হোমব্রত সেই সব শুভ কর্ম সদা জড়মায়া চিন্ময়ী প্রবৃত্তি তাহে কভু না মিলায় আছে কভু না মিলায় সেই সুখ that জড় সুখ অনিত্য সুখ temporary happiness prapti to get the prapti means to get upay the way or path shubha karma jata shubha karma you know our shubha karma auspicious karma what karma নিরমিলা ধর্ম নিরমিলে ধর্ম যজ্ঞ যোগ হোম ব্রত যজ্ঞ fire sacrifice if you just chant Harina chant Harina you cannot get so many people. But if you say, I want to perform a fire sacrifice for peace, or anyone can pray, whatever they want to pray, they can pray also. I think you can see maybe more than 100 people gathered. Right? Because they know karma, they know karma card. Fire sacrifice, jagna, yoga. Nowadays you can see yoga is big industry now in Western world. Even here in India also, big industry. So much money, billion dollar engaged. Homo, jagna, yoga, homa, brata. All the sacrifice people are ready to do. সেই সব শুভ কর্ম সদা জড় মায়া all the karma kand is jado maya material and illusionary energy. Even our previous teacher says, karma kando jnana kando kevala bishere bhando অমৃত বলিয়া যে বা খায়, নানা জনি ভূমি মরে, কদর্য ভক্ষণ করে, তার জন্ম অধঃপাতে যায়। কর্মকাণ্ড, জ্ঞানকাণ্ড, কর্মজ্ঞান, কেবল only বিষ, পয়জন, ভাণ্ড, pot, poisonous pot, full of poison, taste sweet, right? অমৃত বলিয়া যে বা খায়, who drink that poisonous nectar, not nectar, no, poisonous liquid, sweet liquid. অমৃত বলিয়া যে বা খায়, নানা জনি ভূমি মরে, different material body, animal, aquatic form, human, tree, plant, reptile, different form. They will get it. We'll get it. Karma kanda, jnana kanda, always moving around. According to karma, we'll move different body. Therefore he says, Nana joni bhumi more, kodorjo bhakshan kare. Kodorjo what? Like you can see nowadays, bar they are giving prasad or what? In a bar they are giving prasad or they are giving wine? What? This is good or bad? Money, energy, everything destroying. But still people go there. Bar. This is fashion. Nightclub, fashion. Lots of money they are spending. So, Nana joni bhumi more, kodorjo bhakshan kare. You can see so many people. Now they are not cooking in home. Forget about offering Lord. Not cooking in home. They are going for restaurant. One spoon, mouth, then speaking lots. Maybe 1-2 hours. The gold table sitting there surrounding. And they are speaking Lord. Just gossiping, wasting time. They don't know why they are doing so. They don't know value of their life. They are thinking value of the life is to visit amusement place, enjoy life. That they are thinking they are lucky. But you, what do you think? You are thinking, oh, they are wasting their time, energy and money. But they are thinking they are lucky. Why? They visit such place like amusement place, like a what is the place amusement? Darjeeling. In Bengal, it's Darjeeling. I don't know that you know that. It's very nice hilly area, and also Hampi, South India Hampi. This is also hilly area. You can see the Tungabhadra river, crystal clean water. I went there once to see the Madhvacharya's disciples. There's samadhi there. I went there. But no one there. I only went there. No one interested to see such samadhi place. But everybody enjoying the nature over there. It's an amusement place. Anyway, so this is the Kadorja Bhakshan Kare. Sei sabo Shubha Karma Sada Jadamaya. Eternally Jadamaya, illusionary energy, trap of the illusionary energy. We are thinking it is pious karma, right? But actually it is not pious karma. So we can see what mostly we are asking money from Lord, right? Mostly people are asking money from Lord. So people are getting money. Lord giving them intelligence to cheat people. So cheating will engage you more cheating. You also one day will be cheated. Today you are cheating others. Tomorrow they will cheat you. Cheated. So better to think about Lord. Lord is ultimate protector. So better to think about Lord. To Kali Yuga, this iron age of deception, perfect way to think about Lord through chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Harinam Chintam. Chinmayi pravritti tahe kabhu miliya. If we have such type of home, means fire sacrifice or such type of austere life, if you have such tendency, the Chinmayi pravritti, transcendental nature, tahe, that person, kabhu, never, never ever, milya means they will not get, never get that transcendental tendency. Always material gain, material. All karma kanda means material gain. So let me read this translation. You have thus provided the best means for obtaining material happiness. Pious deeds like prescribed duties, sacrifice, self-discipline, religious ritual, the ritual, and other observance. What I explained, pious sacrifice, self-discipline, you have to maintain your principles, social, moral principle. We have nice, this, there is a Padma Puran says, Lord says, 7 arrows in my heart. Lord, Supreme Lord says, 7 arrows in my heart. What is 7 arrows? The Nripo no Hari Sevita. Nripo means king. Nripo means king. No Hari Sevita, not serving Lord Hari. That is one arrow of Lord's heart. Become a king. Like a Modi, Jogi, they are now king. Because according to this, it is like, this secularism, country, it is foolish idea, secularism. Democracy, like a demon crazy. So that is, but if you look this Raj Tantra, in Chandragupta Maurya, Harshavardhan, Samrat Ashok, Indian, this Asakstamba, Samrat Ashok. That time, if you compare, that is Modi and Jogi, they are king. If they are not showing any interest about serving Lord Hari, although they are king, Lord said it is one arrow of my heart. Nripo no Hari Sevita. Bhavakriti no Harjapak. You have a lot of money, Bhavakriti. And you are spending a lot of money. Like nowadays I have seen, people are spending money to wedding, money for wedding. Punjabi wedding means how much money? I think this, maybe 10 million rupees, 1 crore rupees, right? One wedding, Right? Yeah. The one I heard the one plate 6,000 rupees. Right? What?
Sometimes more than 6,000.
Really? You know, Sudevi's daughter, Purnamasi's wedding is a 1,700. One plate. Then I said, why are you giving such? You can engage me 500 people, I can cook for them. I need 200 rupees. 500 people. I can cook for 500, what to them? So Punjabi style like that. That's how much money they are spending. Just wedding. 6,000 rupees, one plate. Maharaj is not believing that. But I show several wedding I attend. Just like I went there according to the request, and then so I asked them, that they told me that. It's not a matter of joke. So much money they are spending. This is called Biokriti Naharjapam. Lots of money they are spending. But if you go for temple service, oh, I know my daughter's wedding, I don't have any money about. Anyway, 100 rupees I can give it. If daughter's wedding, he spent more than 2 crore rupees. For Lord service, really Lord service, giving 100, 500 rupees maximum. That is our mentality. If such mentality, when we have, Lord say, it is also an arrow of my heart. Bhavakriti Naharjapam. Lots of money you are spending, but not ready to spend for Lord Hari. That is Bhavakriti Naharjapam. Then, Nipona Hari Srivita Bhavakriti Naharjapam. Bhavakriti Naharjapam. Kobi no Harivarnaka. Poetic tendency, writing so much poem, so many poems, but not glorifying Lord. That is also one arrow of the heart. You know, nowadays you can see many people are writing, but Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Vrindavan Das Thakur, Vidyapati, all those great poets, they compose very nice glorification of Lord, right? If we have that poetic qualification, poetic nature, but if we are not glorifying Lord with the poetic nature, with the, writing any poem for glorifying Lord, that is also one arrow, the Lord's arrow, one arrow, bow and arrow, one arrow of the Lord's heart. Third, Guru Naharjashrita. Guru, became a guru, yeah, but not taking shelter of Lord Hari. You can see many yoga guru, so many other guru nowadays, but not taking shelter of Lord Hari. Also one arrow of the heart. Then Guni ne Haritatpara. Guni means lots of good quality. Generosity is there. Generosity means we know meaning of generosity. But no Haritatpara, but not ready to serve. You know, so many moral people are there. There are so much moralist. But they are not ready to, they are thinking to do anything for temple and temple deities. It's like a waste of their time and energy. Such type of people is also one arrow. The generosity, all quality coming from Lord. But we forget Lord. Therefore Lord feeling one arrow of such type of people is one arrow of Lord. Then how many arrow? Saraladina Krishna Shah. Very simple. But not ready to take shelter of Lord Krishna. That is also one arrow of the heart. And then Krishna himself says, saw me, they respect me, serving me, no Braja Ramanugo. But they have no faith and they have no service attitude towards Brajagopis, my Brajagopis. Means, who is that? My devotees. This is also one. And sometimes you can see, we want to worship only Lord. But we don't care about Lord devotees. Saraladi, saw me Braja Ramanuga. That's 7 arrow. Cover. Then next word is this. Srahidi sapta sallani me. Srahidi, this is my heart. Shala means arrows. Sapta means 7 arrows in my heart. Lord himself says. Like Madhavi, look here. She is completely dedicated to serve devotees in Vrindavan only, right? Her father is doctor. She could get nice job over there in Bolivia, Cochabamba. She from Cochabamba, Bolivia. But she is suffering in heart. She is trying to do some seva for devotees according to her territory. So we have to establish our best effort to serve Lord and Lord's devotees. Then we cannot be arrow of Lord heart. Arrow of the Lord's heart. So think about it. So duties, prescribed duties, sacrifice, self-discipline, religious rituals. Like, then in Bengal, Chaitra Mas. Chaitra Mas means end of Vedic month, Chaitra Mas. There is some Chaitri Sannyasi. Sannyasi means there's a 1 month they are Sannyasi, They will go all the temples and they will dance in the name of Lord Shiva. Then end of the month, 31st Chaitra. 31st Chaitra, end of the day of this month. They will jump from the top, jump on the ground. I saw in my village, they're keeping one instrument there, iron instrument, and they are jumping on that. Sometimes they are bleeding here. They are thinking that is Shiva satisfaction, Lord Shiva satisfaction. Chaiti Sannyasi. I want a dum, dung, 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 dung. They are dancing. So such type of ritual, religious rituals. So we can see that people believe that. They are seeing the benefit. So therefore, people are rushing toward the Harinam. First of all, they are nowadays people thinking, if I go and chant Harinam, they choose first society. How much beneficial society is. how many connection I will get. If I see society have lots of followers, then we can see I have a book business. I can make book business. Nice. Right? It's such type of strategy. But we have to know that our main goal to please Lord, main goal to surrender Lord. This is not, we should not justify. Krishna Kripaya Guru Mele, Guru Kripaya Krishna Mele. First we have to pray to Krishna from the bottom of our heart. From the bottom of our heart, pray to Krishna. Then Krishna will send us Guru. This is the situation nowadays. So, I will say, you have thus provide the best means for obtaining material happiness, pious deeds, like prescribed duties. Just morning I will get up, then I will do some pranayama. This, I don't like to say the name, but he is doing so. 25 times, each time do this. I saw. They are sending me also the link for me to do that. I think better to sit and chant. We will die one day. Anyway, so I have to finish this. Even so, these pious actions are only material in nature and never give rise to the genuine spiritual impulse. You can say material, genuine spiritual impulse is the most important part. The Kali Yuga, this age of deception, genuine spiritual impulse to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of paramparas. Or we can say Guru Vaishnava shelter. Otherwise, it's not genuine. We can chant, but we can get only material benefit, comfortable material life. If we just simply chant. If we chant under the guidance, under the shelter of pure devotee, you will get prema. No doubt is taking place. And prema will take us to the abode of Supreme Lord. Krishna Premadgam Premamrita Sadam Krishna Prapti Sevamrito Samudra Majjan. As soon as Krishna Prem will appear, this nectarian taste of Prem, we can get it. And then Sevamrita Samudra Majjan. We can get lots of money. Ocean of service we get. And the service taste is Amrita, nectarian service. Never become tired. When you have two boys, right? Prabhu? When you have boys, marriage, wedding day, so many people come to greet them. And your son says, Papa, please greet all of them. You have no time to eat. Do you feel tired? Really tired? No. I saw wedding day, my children wedding day, parents become such a happy. They never feel tired all day. Huh? which activities make us happy, we can continue. Although it is material job, material duties, but still we can continue one day, no prayer, no food, no time for taking food. I have seen many people like that. So anyway, similarly, when you become free from all unwanted, mundane desire, then your heart, mind, consciousness completely pure. Then bhakti, most bhakti is prem. Prem will appear. And prem will allow us to get ocean of service, nectarian service of Lord. Krishna premadgam, premamrita shadan. Krishna prapti means Krishna's service. Krishna allow us to, Krishna engage us to serve Him. Krishna's actually service goes through Radharani. Radharani, to reach Radharani you have to go to Lalita. To reach Lalita you have to go through Rupamanjari. To reach Rupamanjari you have to go through Ananga Manjari. This link is there, one by one. Therefore Mangalarati song, Ananga Manjari Chua Chandana Dahe Malotira Malarupo Manjari. Actually, Rupamanjari offering Malati's Malati flower garland to the divine couple. Ananga Manjari certifying us, means Chua Chandan they are putting. Okay, he is qualified, go. Then Panja Pradipe Dhari Karpurabhati. Then who is doing Arati? Lalita Sundari Kare. This is step like this. In this way, go through that level. So anyway, today, so tomorrow, I can read, just simply read, but I don't know, you'll understand or not. Because this is Bengali, I can understand, but therefore I will go deep. If people doesn't like, then I can go just reading all English. So anyway, so tomorrow we'll have the inner meaning of this text, 44, 45. Then we'll start 46, text number 46. First chapter, Harinam Chintamani, text number 46. We'll read tomorrow. Hare Krishna.